Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On the previous video I showed you how to fix the hail damage and how to apply that super build polyester primer. In this video I'm going to show you how to sand it. Okay, let's just begin. Let me show you the equipment that I'm going to use. First of all, I'm going to use a round block with 180 grit. This is for this round area right here. And I'm going to be using this board. This one has 180. Also, this is very nice. Does the body work flat. That is it. Those two are the only ones that I'm going to be using with 180 grit for the entire top. I already did that side. I'm going to show you how I did it on this side. Let's go. I'm going to start using this board on this area right here all the way to right there. Now at first it's going to be a little bit difficult, but once you break through the first layer of this primer, it sands like butter. So let's go. As you guys are seeing, I'm going in a cross pattern motion and everything feels nice and smooth. Now you saw as soon as that first layer of primer broke through, everything started sanding real smooth. I still need to give it a little bit more, but looking good. Let me just continue with this part until I feel that it's perfectly done. Then we can continue with this round area. There it is. All this part is done. All I'm doing is trying to eliminate the guide coat. Once I see the guide coat gone, we're good. Like all these little areas, I still need to apply some, I guess, polyester putty. But all in all, looks really good. Let me continue with this round area. There you go. That is exactly what we are looking for. Now I can still see some guide code right there, so I still need to continue sanding. But I'm gonna do all this area, which is rounded, and leave the flat areas for the board. So I'm gonna continue doing this area. I'll bring you back once I'm done. I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing. Here we go. All this rounded area is done. I did the exact same thing as I was doing here. I just went all the way to this area. Now let me show you the top, how I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna be doing it with this board, and it does have 180 grit.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every code a lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers, about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Yeah, midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey.
As you can see, I'm going to keep on sanding with the 180 grit in a cross pattern motion until all of that guide coat is gone. Just continue sanding until everything is gone. You'll see that you'll have a very straight panel. Here we go. After a couple of hours of sanding, everything is nice and smooth. I do have a couple of areas that I need to apply some polyester putty, but they're minimal. This is not the final sand, guys. I still need to apply some primer surfacer, about 2 coats, and that'll be ready for block sand, the final block sanding, and the paint. But let me check the quality of my sanding with Quick Check. I highly recommend it, guys. It's gonna help you a lot with your sanding. Let me see how I did. This bottle is already empty, so hopefully I have enough. Yeah, I think I'll make it. Gotta get myself some more of this Quick Check. What this is doing, it's just gonna help me determine if my sanding was on point, which I know it was, but just want to make sure. You look down the side right there, guys, you can see that is nice and flat. There you go. That's what you're looking for, especially on a black paint job, which this car is gonna have. There it is. Now with the primer surfacer that I'm gonna apply, I'm gonna make it a little bit more flatter and ready for that paint. So what I'm gonna do on these areas that I need to apply a little bit of the polyester putty, I'm gonna scuff it down with 80 grit just in those areas, just in the areas that the guide coat is still showing, and apply a little bit of polyester putty, block it down before I can start applying that primer. And yeah, this is how it is. This is how you sand that super build polyester primer. All right, this is gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys now know how to block sand that super build primer. And there it is. Looks good. Like I said, I'm still need to apply some primer surfacer for the final sand. So there you go. I'm going to continue down this quarter right here, making sure that everything's the way it's supposed to be. Fix the gaps on those on the door before I can start applying primer to this area also. But this is going to be it for this video. Thank you very much. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, guys, I'll see you this coming weekend. Have a great week. Have a great weekend. And like always, stay safe and God bless.